Some intense new sniping in the Casey Anthony case as prosecutors now want Anthony's lead attorney, Jose Baez, held in contempt of court.
One local attorney says he's never seen such a request over what he calls something relatively minor. West 2's Bob Keeling joining us live from the courthouse. And Bob, has Jose Baez responded to this motion?
No, we have not seen any response from him yet, and this certainly does appear to be a new hard line in the sand from Prosecutor Jeff Ashton. But according to one local attorney, what this does is it forces Judge Belvin Perry to divert his attention away from other critical issues in the case to essentially play referee.
We don't have a reporter.
Prosecutor Jeff Ashton took an unusual step this week by asking Judge Belvin Perry to consider contempt charges against Jose Baez, a move that could end in a fine or taken to the extreme, jail. Defense attorney Richard Hornsby says he's shocked.
I've never seen a prosecutor move to hold a defense attorney in contempt, or any attorney move to hold somebody else in contempt over something which is relatively minor.
At issue is a court-ordered deadline that Ashton says Baez missed last week to list objections he plans to raise during an upcoming hearing. Baez said in an email that he's confused as to whether he's required to list additional information not already contained in their court papers. Ashton maintains the court order is clear and unambiguous.
And I've got to think that even Judge Perry is going to be frustrated about the animosity that's developing between the two parties.
Hornsby says how the two sides communicate is at the heart of the controversy. He sees prosecutors continually frustrated and taking issue with what Baez claims the two sides talked about or agreed upon during informal discussions.
You're seeing the state's frustration in having to respond to these basically assertions of Jose Baez, and other than call him an outright liar, the best way to deal with things like that is to require everything to be on the record, by the book, in black and white.
So far, no reaction from Jose Baez, and also Jeff Ashton would not comment, but we'll have more reaction in our next half hour. Reporting live from the courthouse, Bob Keeling, West 2 News.